guys, what's up? It's Joshua from Inspired Fingers, and I believe you're doing great. So I'm so excited today because in the early hours of the morning, I was just going through different WhatsApp status, and I saw this status of my particular piano student based in the US. She's just a teenager, and she was playing this popular Nigerian praise song. When you see me dance, I dance like a winner man. You understand? And she was feeling every moment of it. She was having fun and everything. I was like, wow, this is it. I'm so encouraged. I'm so happy for her. How she has grown and all that. So in the same vein, I just thought of sharing 1-2 ideas on this particular song, because most times when people do play this song and you get to the spots, they just do this, or they might want to play chords. You understand? That's fine. And please, just for your notice, okay, we're on the key of B flat major, all right, so that you don't get confused where we are. We're in the key of B flat major. Now, playing that is fine. Playing the regular way is fine, but I just like to flip it. Okay, I just like to do something different. So if I approach jazz sports, like you see what I played before, like you saw what I played before, I did. You understand? And I also went further to say, yeah, that's what I did. I said, you understand? So, I'm just trying to flip it a bit so that you don't get to hear what you heard before or what you know before. So let me break that down. Let me break down those moves for you. So what I did is, okay, sorry, I started on a 1. All right. Please pay attention to the grace I'm doing. So let me start again. You understand? Then, just to add that bluesy kind of feel. You understand? Just to add those bluesy kind of feels. Then the next move I made was I said, how we get that? So let me do that again. Slowly. You understand? You understand? So that's just basically all I wanted to show you. So please, next time when you approach those sports, just try to apply something else. Try to apply what I just showed you right now. Yeah, that's it.